Hey my RuleZ family, welcome back to my channel. It's me Usman and thank you so much for my ruler for showing me so much love and so much support. And guys, if you're not a part of my RuleZ family, please go subscribe to my channel, like my video, don't forget to comment down below and let me know that you subscribe. Okay guys, today I'm here to do a reaction on, of course, the Anna. Her performance, of course, is in Russian, but I have to translate in Google translation so I can put this on my title. Yes, so I'm going to watch this and let's see how that. So start now. Let's go, Diana.
Где-то там, за окном.
Wow. You know what? This girl is, I don't know. She is a miracle. The voice she have is really miracle. It's God gifted voice, and the way she control her voice is something really different. I tell you something about the video. It's of course great. The judges, they press the button. Everything is so great. Something I want to add for the Anna: the loyalty, the love that she have for her voice. And she is like, if there's this kind of voice, like, a girl having a heavy voice or this kind of really unique voice, girls feel shy, or maybe they like, maybe people is going to laugh at me or something. But she is the best. She came on stage and she tell that I have different voice, I'm different from anyone else in this world, and I know I'm the winner. I read a lot of comments and people telling me she's not the winner of this show, okay, because of course this show is fixed. There's nothing like reality, so it's fixed, so they kick her out. But she is the winner. If this is going to be reality, of course no one going to win except her, because she have the different voice, she have everything unique, and I know this kind of things is happen. Diana is the best. There's no one who can sing like her, who is like her. She's still so young, she have bright future, that's what I feel, and she need to do lot of things in her life. I always wish, and I know you guys are so supporting her, and I'm going to support her always also. Anything happen, there is a two singer from Russia that is always going to be my favorite always, Paulina and Diana. These two girls is always on my favorite singers list, okay, and I love it. I'm enjoying so much and I love it. Actually, I'm going to make playlist all like Paulina and Diana, both of them. So I will make playlist so you guys can go and subscribe or watch all the reaction that I did on both of them. So Diana reaction is different and Paulina is different. You guys need to watch also, okay. I love it and enjoy so much. I hope you guys also enjoy. Guys, I'm going to see you in my next videos. Take care, support and love me always like that. Love you. Bye.